Hello everyone, today I'll be showing how to add a large list of radio stations to Rhythmbox. Now, if you have a countable number of stations you'd like to add, you could add them individually. Enter the URL and then right click and then copy paste the name. Now, it's not a tedious task if you have a few finite number of stations to add, but if you have a large list like I have about 59 to 60 radio stations I'd like to add to my Rhythmbox. So adding them individually and then right clicking on each and every one of them and copy pasting the particular title is a tedious task. It's a huge headache. So if you're like me, if you have a large list and you'd like to have each and every one of the stations in that list to be added to Rhythmbox, what should be done? First of all, maintain a txt file of your list. Now, each entry should have the title of the radio followed by its location, its URL. The file which we'll be fiddling with is rhythmdb.xml. You can find that file in your home directory. There's a hidden folder called .local. In that you have share folder, in that you have Rhythmbox folder, and in that you will find a file rhythmdb.xml. Now this is a database file used by Rhythmbox. Each and every song and each and every radio station that you have in your library is mapped to a particular location on your hard disk or a URL. Rhythmdb.xml maintains that mapping structure. If you open that file, at the end of the file you'll see the entries of the default radio stations provided by Rhythmbox. Each of the entry has an XML structure like this. You have an entry tag. In it you have the title, genre, artist, etc. Now the tags which are relevant to us is the title tag and the location tag. The others are irrelevant. The genre tag is updated, as in the genre is picked up as in when you play that particular station. So you just have to keep a list of title and location. That's what I was speaking about when I told you to maintain a list of the radio stations. I have the title and it's followed by the location. Now the only difference between the XML file over here and the TXT file over here is this one is not an XML structure. It's just a basic list of entries. And to integrate it into XML, rhythmdb.xml, I'll have to encapsulate each and every entry into the specific XML structure. Now one way is to encapsulate the entry manually. You write entry tag, title tag, location tag for each and every one of them. Now that again is a tedious task, and this video is not about doing the tedious task. This is about doing an optimized way of the tedious task, as in save a lot of time. Now what we'll be doing is we'll open up the text file in VI. VI is a very powerful text editor. Okay, now we have loaded up the file in VI. Now what I'll be doing is I'll encapsulate only the first entry into the XML file. Now the operations, I'll record it in a macro and apply that macro to the consecutive entries. Now to start up with the macro, whatever I'll be doing over here, the step-by-step procedure is written over here, the commands and all. So if you need to verify, if you need to correlate, you just have to look at this portion of the screen while I do the operations on the terminal. Alright, I'll start up the macro. I'll name it A. So QA. Go to the beginning of the line, enter the insert mode, go to the end of the line and append the closing title tag. Go to the next line, the beginning of the line, insert the location tag, then append the closing location tag at the end. Go to the next line, and close the entry tag. And then I'll stop recording the macro. Okay. So what I've done is I've enclosed the first entry into the XML structure which is required by rhythmdb.xml. Now the rest of the portion is just automated. You have recorded the macro, now you have to apply the macro to the consecutive entries. Now like I said, I have 59 stations. I have edited the first station. Now I need to encapsulate the remaining 58 stations accordingly. So what I'll do is I'll write, now I have to apply 58 times micro. The name of the micro is A, so I'll write 58@A. That's it. Each and every entry is enclosed like the way you want, like the way the first one was enclosed. Now I'll just save the file and quit. I reload in gedit. Now you can see each and every entry is what you wanted it to be. Now the thing is, first I'll close up Rhythmbox over here. Okay. Now, I'll copy the contents to the rhythmdb.xml file just above the rhythmdb closing tag. Alright, I'll save the file. One more to be double sure. Alright, now I'll open up Rhythmbox just to check whether the entries have been reflected. Well, there you have. All the entries are there. Now you can see the entries I've entered have no genre, they are blank. Now if I play any one of the radio, see, the genre is updated. Okay. So like I said, the genre you need not manually add it to the list. It will be updated as and when you play the particular radio station. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching.